Hello everyone, this is Pritam Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Cognitive Coders. So today in this video we'll learn how to use insert into function in PySpark. So insert into function is a very common and a very useful function in PySpark for inserting the data in delta tables. Okay, so I have already spoken about the delta tables in my earlier videos. If you have not seen our earlier videos, please go in my channel Cognitive Coders and watch my earlier videos. There is also I have mentioned about the delta tables. Okay, manage tables. Okay, तो चैनल में जाओ और देख लो, ठीक है. So today I'm starting from here. So basically how to insert the data in delta table using the insert into. Okay, we'll see. So first I have created one data frame here. Okay, so now there are multiple way to create one delta table. So this time I am using this in a way. Okay, df.write save as table. It will save the data as in a delta table. Okay, I'm choosing the path for default and employee is my table name. Okay, if I'll run this cell now, it will create one delta table in my DBFS. Okay, I'm showing you one. Get the job completed. So the job has completed. Let me check the. You can see the table has created here. Database tables. Okay, so let's go to now. What we'll do, we'll first see the data from the delta table. So there is also different kinds of method to see the data, to fetch the data from the delta table. So we'll see. Okay, we'll see one or two methods there. Okay, so first what we'll use, so in this way we can see the data in our delta table. So spark.table, using the spark.table commands. Okay, so it is fetching the data. Okay, so now what I will do, I will create another data frame which I will insert in this data frame. Okay, so now I will create one data frame. So you can see my new data frame has created df1. So now what we'll do, I will insert the data in the in my this table. Okay, this employee table. Okay, insert this new two employees data. Okay, so for that what we will do, df1 dot write dot insert into. We'll use the insert into statement, and what we'll do, we'll write the data frame path here, and also for the override condition we'll keep it as a false. Okay, so override about the writing method I have already spoken in my earlier video. How to write the data, how to read the data. Please go and watch, and different methods of writing and reading. Please go and watch that video. For if I'll keep this override as false, then it will yeah, if the data I'm changing some data in my earlier data also, it will delete the whole data, and it will save the new data on that place. Okay, so बेसिकली ये पूरा डेटा को डिलीट करके उसके जगह पे ओवरराइट कर देगा. ठीक है, सो सॉरी ओवरराइट अगर ट्रू करते तो पूरा डेटा को डिलीट करके उसके जगह पे ओवरराइट कर देता. ठीक है, तो अगर मैं यहाँ पे ओवरराइट को फॉल्स कर रहा हूँ तो ये बेसिकली डेटा को अपेंड करेगा. ठीक है, तो ऑलरेडी मैंने इसके बारे में मेरे अर्लियर वीडियो में बता चुका हूँ, प्लीज गो एंड वॉच दैट। तो नाउ आई एम triggering it. Okay, so now I'll see how my data is how my table is now. Okay, so now I'll fetch the data in a different way. Spark.sql. So using the SQL statement, I will try to. So in this way, we can see the data using the SQL query. Okay. Now the last two data also attached with my earlier data. Okay, so earlier what was there? Earlier Rahul and Raju was there, and after that Rohan and Priya added. Okay, okay, I think you have understood the concept how to use the insert into function okay, in PySpark. So if you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel, and also please refer this video to your friends and colleagues so that they also get the benefit of this video. And please subscribe our channel and support us, because you guys support is very much required to grow our channel. Okay, thank you for watching this video.